What turns a military blunder into legend? In the chaos of the Crimean War, 670 British cavalry rode straight into death's maw. A misunderstood order sent the Light Brigade charging down the wrong valley, directly into Russian artillery. For over a mile, they pushed through a storm of cannon fire, their formation shrinking with each thundering step. The Russians watched in disbelief as these horsemen defied certain death, through sheer discipline and courage. Within 20 minutes, nearly half their number lay dead or wounded. This catastrophic charge became a symbol of both military incompetence and extraordinary bravery, showing how unclear orders can lead to devastating consequences. The incident changed military communication forever, though at a terrible cost. The survivors emerged as legends, their fateful charge immortalized in poetry and military history. Their story serves as both a warning and inspiration, showing the thin line between glory and disaster. Like and subscribe for more stories of military courage and catastrophe.